Well, it's been a couple of weeks now, and let me show you what I've done. You might notice something quite different here. Last time you saw I was painting posts. Now we have new balustrading. But not only that, we've had a whole new staircase installed. Yes, I mean a whole new staircase. We changed the whole thing, built it in timber. My job today is to fill in underneath. I've got a gyprock underneath it and up the staircase. Hide all this, hide the bottom. All right, let's get to it. So it's time to move on to the roof. And the roof, as you've seen, is just timber, and we were going to paint it white. So now's the time. I've been doing lots of preparation, and I've done lots of work in masking up all the walls, because we're going to spray it, and spraying it's going to be the quickest way I can paint this roof. So all the preparation has taken me about 2 days. But now I'll be able to paint the whole thing very, very quickly, a couple of hours per coat rather than would have taken me a day or 2 each coat. So let me show you what I'm doing and what I've done. So firstly, we've had lots of scaffolding put up so I can reach the roof. That's really high. That's something like 7.5 meters from downstairs area where the scaffolding starts, and something like 5.5 meters just from here. So I've got that bit of scaffolding there, a little bit of scaffolding here, mobile scaffolding to do the end where the floor is there. And as you can see, I've masked up everything. All those areas are masked so that I don't get any overspray, because I don't want to overspray on those bottom areas that have already been painted. So basically I'll just spray up to here, not worrying too much about getting it all over the place. And then we'll do the whole roof. And there's a lot of roof to do. So let's have a look at what I've done so far. I've painted the roof and it took 4 coats over a number of days at 35-degree weather. That means the roof up here, because it's so high, was about 45 or 50 degrees, and I was sweating and drenched. The shirts absolutely had to be wrung out. They were dripping that much. But let's have a look and see what I've done. Bit hard to see yet because the scaffolding is still in place and I have to come back and remove it. But look at the roof, white and matching and much nicer than it used to look. And looking back the other way, so it gives you a bit of an idea of what it will look like when it's done. So we just need to prepare these here and just sand them down a little bit, give them a prime, and then paint them to match the others, to match the white. Already started doing a little bit of painting, so you'll notice these ones here that I could reach from the scaffolding. I've painted, they're done, because afterwards, there's a big hole there that I'm not going to be able to reach them. So they're painted white, ready to go. I've just got to do the ends of them. So to prepare them, we're just putting a bit of plastic over here so they don't get splatter. A bit of plastic over the lights. And now let's do the rest. So there we are with paint on all the rods, all the blue bits, both sides. Once all blue and now all white. So we've just prepared this area. I've got drop sheets down ready for the cabinetry that's going to be installed. We started with the baseboards, moved to the full cabinets, and now we're waiting for the stone bench tops, which you'll see very soon. And now finally, after many weeks, a lot of sweat and a lot of hard work, it's ready to show you.